Hello, my name is Kathleen Lusson. I'm a lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist. I also teach continuing education classes to other massage therapists who want to help clients after plastic surgery. And this is my video where I talk about the 5 steps you need to get plastic surgeon referrals to your post-op massage business. So like 2020, 2021, even 2022 used to be a lot easier in this profession. If you knew manual lymphatic drainage and you put it on your website, you would get clients calling you left and right. Plastic surgeons were just starting to realize how valuable this is on a widespread level. And maybe they were kind of saying, oh, just go on Google and find someone who will do your lymphatic drainage. If you want to do that, go ahead and do it. That was kind of the message to clients before and in the beginning of the pandemic. But now in 2023, 2024, it seems like everybody, massage therapists and people who are not licensed, all seem to know manual lymphatic drainage, all want to help clients after plastic surgery. So if you have the training, you have to differentiate yourself. And the easiest way to get that constant stream of patients coming in to your practice, rebooking your massages, is by getting plastic surgeons in your area to refer their clients to you. So let's look at the 5 steps that I recommend people do in order to get plastic surgeon referrals. So the first one is education. You have to have the right education. You cannot just come in off the street and expect someone with an advanced education that's a board certified plastic surgeon to refer clients to you. So first step is get that education. If you do have the education, now you're ready to proceed to the other steps. And the second one is the hardest hurdle, I think, emotionally, mentally, for a lot of therapists, and that is get on social media, have a social media presence. It is no longer optional. It's absolutely crucial. Now, do I mean you have to dance and post TikToks every day? Do you have to do posting all the time and let it take over your life? Absolutely not. But I do think there are certain aspects of having 1 or 2 really evergreen YouTube videos that will last a long time, that explain your practice, explain who you are, help build that trust with the plastic surgeon that looks at your videos. Because if you send them the letter that I'll talk about in a minute, the first thing they're going to do is get on Google and Google you and figure out who you are. So you're going to build the trust with the YouTube videos with the plastic surgeons, and you're going to build the trust with the clients, because more often than not, if you get on that plastic surgeon referral list, the first thing the client's going to do when they look at your name and information is go ahead and Google you and see who you are on YouTube, see if you're a good fit. So social media presence, and 2 aspects. So number 2 and number 3 is social media presence. Number 2, I want you to have a video that shows you in your best light, that talks about your education, that lets people know about you. And I have details of exactly step-by-step the aspects that should be in that video are in my Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage practice class, which is linked in the comments below. So that's number 1 and number 2. And number 3 is also social media, but it doesn't just have to be social media. But number 3 is prove yourself that you will be a client resource, that you have the answers to the questions that clients are going to ask. So how do I do that in my practice? I do have active social media, and I also have this book, the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. And I give a copy of this book to every single one of my clients at their first session. And you know what I hear at their second session? I'm halfway through the book. It's so amazing. I've read the entire book. I got so many answers. I'm so happy that you gave this to me. So having some kind of resource that you give to your clients that shows them that you are resourceful and that you have the answers to the questions they're going to ask can build trust, both to get that plastic surgeon referral and to get that client to rebook with you, because now they felt you're the massage, they know you from social media, and they have read something that they understand that you have their best interests at heart and you want to give them the answers to the questions they have. So this book is on Amazon. And either you give a copy of this book, or you let them know about the book, or you have your own resource that's very well researched that you give to the client. And number 4 is in my 5 steps on how to get plastic surgeons to refer clients to you is the all-important first letter to the surgeon. So this letter is going to introduce yourself to the surgeon, and what I want you to do is not make the mistake that I made. I came in to this industry like 5, 6, 7 years ago, and I wanted to go and see plastic surgeons. So I wrote a letter, and you know what that letter was about? All about me. All about me, all about how they should refer clients to me, all about what MLD was and what it could offer the clients. And you know what I got? Crickets. I got 1 or 2 surgeons that already knew about the lymphatic system that said, yes, I will start referring clients to you, but I did not get additional surgeon referrals until I tweaked that letter so it was no longer all about me, talking about me, focused just on me and what that surgeon could do for me. So if you want to look at the updated letter that actually got me surgeon referrals, that copy of that letter, which you can take out of the class and then add, cut and paste and personalize and then send to your surgeons, that copy of that letter is in the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class. So send that letter to surgeons, and I would say also send them a gift card for 1 session. But I have a little bit of a specific thing that I want you to do to the gift card, so it's going to get the best response possible, because again, when I first sent that first letter out to surgeons, I send them a gift card and they would give it to a client who they didn't think could afford the massage on their own. And then you get that client and they're really, in over their head. They don't have enough funds to properly do their recovery. So they're not gonna get their best result like someone who pre-planned it and really understands the entire process. And they said, you know what, Kathleen is really great, but I don't have money for another massage. So that is the mistake that I made. So I made a little tweak the second time I send the letter out that let me get the right person in my office on that free gift card, and that boosted my image in the plastic surgeon's office. So go ahead and look in the class and make that tweak to your gift cards, and I hope that you will get the same success. And then number 5, and the most important thing, is the massage therapy care plan, and how I've specifically customized my massage therapy care plan to really be responsive to what plastic surgeons are looking for. And I use this massage therapy care plan, which is a document that I personalize for each client, and I send it to the surgeon after my first appointment with the client. So that goes in the client's record. So then the next time that the client goes for their 3-week post-op appointment, for their 1 month post-op appointment, the surgeon is going to open up their file, see that massage therapy care plan, hear in their ear the client saying, this was such a great massage, I really love Kathleen, I really love whoever your name is, and I had a great result with her. And then that surgeon at that point has your information, has your expertise, has your contact information, and is reminded that you are doing a good job on the post-op massage with the client. And that massage therapy care plan, sending it to surgeons, and especially when the clients find me from my social media presence, that's how I'm introduced to the surgeon, is the massage therapy care plan. So that copy of the massage therapy care plan that I send to the surgeons after the first appointment with their clients is in the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class. You can go ahead and pull it out, personalize it to your education, and personalize it, with what you're doing and what you see with each individual client that you send. And then you can go ahead and send it to your plastic surgeons, and that will keep your name and your business and the client's experience with you at the top of that plastic surgeon's mind. So then the clients after that client that had the care plan, when they present with the same issues, that plastic surgeon knows exactly who to send them to, and that is you. So those are my 5 keys on my 5 recommendations that I would share with someone who wants to get into helping people after post-op massage, and especially someone who's already helping people after surgery with post-op massage and wants to get more plastic surgeon referrals. So just to recap, number 1, you have to have the right level of education, and you have to have the level of education that a plastic surgeon understands that is a good class from a good organization and trusts you that you have the right education to help their clients. Number 2, social media presence, getting that evergreen, always effective YouTube video that shows you and your practice and your education in the best light, so both the plastic surgeon and the potential client can start to trust you and your expertise, and they will choose you over the other people that are in the list that the plastic surgeon has for potential post-op massage therapists. Number 3, social media presence that shows you are a client resource, or giving them some kind of resource that's well researched, that shows them that you know the questions that they're thinking of, and you will give them the answers to those questions based on research. Number 4, that letter to the surgeons introducing yourself, but not all about yourself. And that letter, again, is in the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Practice, as well as number 5 on the list, that massage therapy care plan. So I hope this video has helped you. If you want to know more, definitely go ahead and consult that Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class. If you are able to get continuing education from NCBTMB for marketing classes, which happens in most states, you will earn it if you pass the quiz for this class. It is qualified for continuing education from NCBTMB, because I'm an NCBTMB approved provider for massage education classes. And that class is linked in the comments below. Thank you so much and have a great day.